Hello, in this video, we're going to be finding rectangular coordinates given polar coordinates. The problem that we have says the polar coordinates of a point are given. Find the rectangular coordinates of this point. Polar coordinates are in the form r theta, and to convert polar coordinates to rectangular coordinates, we use the equations on the screen. So the x value is equal to r times cosine of theta. So first, let's find our x-coordinate of our rectangular coordinate. We have x equals 3 times cosine of 5 pi over 4. So now we need to evaluate this using our special right triangle with pi over 4. So we have 3 times and then cosine of 5 pi over 4. So first we need to think about what quadrant 5 pi over 4 is in. If we graph the angle 5 pi over 4, that would fall in quadrant 3, and cosine is negative in quadrant 3. So we know that cosine of 5 pi over 4 is negative, and the reference angle for 5 pi over 4 is pi over 4. So we look at pi over 4. Cosine of pi over 4 is 1 over square root of 2, and again it's negative because the angle was in quadrant 3. Multiplying these two values together, we get negative 3 over square root of 2 as the x-coordinate. Now we use our formula for the y-coordinate. Our y-coordinate is r times sine of theta. So 3 times sine of 5 pi over 4. So now we need to figure out what is sine of 5 pi over 4. So again, 5 pi over 4 is in quadrant 3. Sine is negative in quadrant 3, so the answer to that part will be negative. And then the reference angle for 5 pi over 4 is pi over 4. So we look at pi over 4, sine of pi over 4 is 1 over square root of 2. And it's negative because the angle was in quadrant 3. Multiplying these two values together, we get negative 3 over square root of 2. So the equivalent rectangular coordinates for the polar coordinates we were given are negative 3 square root of 2, negative 3 square root of 2. For more help with your math homework, visit finishmymathclass.com.